First, one of the men charged in the death of 12-year-old Jocelyn Nungaray, Franklin Peña, is going before a judge today. Good afternoon, and thank you for joining us. I'm Andy Sirota.
And I'm Lisa Hernandez. This is a case that KPRC2 has followed extensively after the little girl's body was discovered in a North Houston creek back in June. We have learned that Peña's attorney has requested a protective order from the court. Let's check in right now with our Brittany Jeffers.
Yeah, we were inside that courtroom, and ultimately the judge says they need more time. They're currently following an oral admonishment, but the judge says he wants to take a deeper dive. He wants to take time to look at the defense's motion here. He says he also wants to look at the state's response. He says so they will revisit this next week, but he says this is something that they want to get right. If you take a look at video from inside of the courtroom, you could see Franklin Peña entering the courtroom in handcuffs in a yellow jumpsuit. He sat there with an interpreter. His attorney, as I referenced, filed that motion or a protective order, which is also known as a gag order. This morning, we heard the defense criticize District Attorney Kim Ogg, and what they said was extrajudicial comments and speculation, citing instances they say where Ogg made comments with local and national media, calling Peña, quote, a monster, dangerous, also talking about his immigration status. They say they want to protect the fairness and due process, and they also reference an interview with KPRC2. The state, however, refuted this, and they said, quote, DA Ogg's speech is protected even if it's disagreeable. So as far as what happens next, the judge says that he would like to have those responses by both the state and the defense on Monday. He says then they will be back in the courtroom on Friday. He says he wants to get a determination. He wants to get an answer for everyone. Again, the timeline will be next Monday, ultimately with a ruling on this motion, hopefully by Friday. I'm Brittany Jeffers, KPRC 2 News.